no paid subscription, no watermarks. Guys, Google just put their most powerful AI video engine in our pockets. Let me show you in few simple steps on how you can land yourself huge brand deals. Let's go straight into the tutorials. Guys, you know how we do it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification to get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. Don't skip any part of this video. Make sure you watch to the end. Let's go straight into the tutorial. Let's go. You head over to YouTube application, mobile application, not the studio. Okay, you click on the plus sign down here. You will see video by your left, shorts, live, and posts. We will be working with shorts. On the short down here, you will see this icon right here. Click it, open. Click on the icon. This interface will pop out. On the top of this interface, you will see create video, make me move, photo to video, create music. Okay, we'll be clicking on create video. It is assumed that you already have the image you want to advertise and you have your UGC image already on your mobile phone. You click on this plus sign down here to add them. Right now I'll be adding my video, the model, UGC model I want to use. You click again, you add the product you want to advertise. So right here you will write in your prompt. Okay, remember this gives you 8 seconds video, which is very okay to advertise any product. You write animate the lady and the man holding burger and fries. Okay, just for this tutorial, we'll click enter button. You give it few seconds to generate. It generates super fast. An amazing thing about this is it gives you no watermark. So this is very okay for you to start your content creation without spending a dime. This is absolutely one of the best way you can start creating. The lip sync is amazing and it goes on very well. So just stick around, watch this video to the last part so you don't get it twisted. Let's see the amazing results from the simple prompt I gave. Upload any image of your model. It can be yourself, your own image, and upload a photograph of the product you want to advertise for your customers to see. This is almost ready. It will process right now and we'll have our video ready to use. Let me know on the comment section the next tutorial you want me to carry out, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell notification to get notified anytime I bring amazing new content your way. All right, this is super easy.
Wow, this burger looks incredible.
Oh, you are not wrong. Dig in.
Okay, delicious. You have to try these fries.
Oh, I'm already on it. Look at these. So good.
Burger.
Wow, this
burger
oh my god,
incredible.
this is
oh, you are not
good.
wrong. Dig in.
The camera,
you have to try
angle,
these fries.
Oh,
everything
I'm already on
is
it. Look
so
at these.
nice.
So good.
I will be
Wow,
dropping
this burger looks incredible.
Oh, you are not wrong. Dig in.
tutorial step by
delicious.
step on
You have
my
to try these
description
fries.
Oh,
box.
I'm
So
already
don't
on it.
forget
Look at
to
these.
watch the
So
video.
good.
Click on
Wow,
the
this burger looks incredible.
Oh, you
this
are
is
not
good.
wrong.
This
Dig
is
in.
good. So when you
delicious. You
are
have to try
here,
these fries.
you
Oh, I'm
want to
already on it.
add
Look at these.
music
So
or
good.
something. Yes,
Wow,
let
this
it
burger
not
looks
be just
incredible.
what
Oh, you
they
are not
are
wrong.
talking
Dig in.
about. You can
delicious.
click on this
You have to try
edit
these fries.
right
Oh,
here
I'm already on it. Look at
and
these.
say
So good.
add
Wow, this
text. You
burger
can
looks
add
incredible.
text on it if you want to write something on the video. If you don't want to write something on the video, you come down, click on music. You can select any music right here, or you create your own music, fresh music. You click on create music. You can now say give me a piano sound. Okay, create. Just for the tutorial, I don't want to go too elaborate, so it won't be too long. Okay, you can select any of the existing song music out there, or you create your own music. Easy and very simple steps. You don't need to be a programmer to do this. Okay, let's listen to our music. If the music is okay by you, You click on this arrow button, you have your music.
Wow,
So
this burger looks incredible.
Oh, you are not
listen
wrong.
to
Dig in.
everything. So when you are done with this, and this is 8 seconds video,
Wow, this
which
burger
is
looks
very
incredible.
okay.
Oh, you are not
If you
wrong.
want to add sticker, you can add sticker. Click on the add sticker, image, add anything you want to add to make it look nice. If you're okay with it, you can click on this arrow here. You can click on this arrow up here. Click on the mic, the speaker icon up here. Click on the speaker icon up there. Okay, this is good. You can now put up your title, description, anything you want to put out there. You will have it. You will post it for your audience to watch. And another amazing thing you can do here, let me go back. Okay,
Oh, you are not
you
wrong.
can
Dig
play
in.
around with this. Let's say you want your animate the lady and the man to dance while, okay, yes, to stand. Maybe you don't want them to sit down, you want them to stand up, to stand while eating burger and fries. Okay, you upload the image of the product you want to advertise, click it, let it generate for you. You can start content creation with $0. Yes, this part can only give you 9:16 aspect ratio, which is for YouTube Shorts. Okay, if you want to make it longer, you can't do 16:9 aspect ratio, which is for YouTube long form video. You can start up with this, pending when you can afford to pay for YouTube paid version or video generation tool. So this is a good step for you to start. Tell your stories. Don't let your stories be inside your memory. Tell the world your stories. People want to listen to you. People want to learn from your stories. People want to develop their life with your stories. You can do this with simple prompts. I made it so
This
easy
burger is
for you.
incredible.
You see?
I know, right?
Same people,
Try
same
these fries,
background.
they're
Right
perfect.
now they are standing.
Definitely need to order this
Eating
again.
same burger, same
This
plate.
burger is incredible. I
It
know,
is
right?
super easy for you to
Try these
do.
fries,
So
they're
I don't know why
Definitely need to
you've
order this
not
again.
subscribed to this channel. I
This
give
burger
you
is incredible.
tips
I know,
on
right?
how you can create amazing
these fries, they're
content
perfect.
for yourself.
Definitely need to order
Thank you
this
for
again.
the amazing return
This
people,
burger is
subscribers
incredible. I
that
know,
return
right?
to watch my content.
Try these
I
fries, they're
appreciate you
perfect.
guys
Definitely need to order this again.
well. You guys are the best.
This
Let me
burger
know
is incredible.
the
I
next
know,
content
right?
you want me to create,
Try these fries, they're
tutorial
perfect.
you want me to
Definitely need
make
to order this
on
again.
my next video. Drop it on the comment
This burger
section.
is
Don't forget to
incredible.
subscribe.
I know, right?
Put on the bell
Try
notification
these fries, they're perfect.
to get notified
Definitely need
anytime
to
I
order this
bring
again.
amazing new content your way.
This burger is
See you
incredible.
guys
I know,
on my
right?
next video.
Try these
Cheers.
fries.